right. So what we're going to be doing is the application I-90. I have my friend, Mr. Bennett. He's going to be here walking us through and helping us with this. And we're going to fill out this form as best as we can. All right. Are you ready, Mr. Bennett?
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. So what is your alien number?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And
Yeah,
it needs to be 9 digits. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Correct.
Okay. And what is your U.S. online account number?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The same thing.
10, 11, 12, 13. Needs to be 13 numbers. All right. And last name is Bennett.
Yes, sir.
We're going to keep everything capital. What is your first name?
Ramon.
Ramon. Okay. And what it's saying right here, has your last name legally changed since the issuance of your permanent green card? Yes, no, or not applicable because you didn't receive your card.
No.
Okay. And since your name hasn't changed, you don't have to put that information. Is anyone taking care of you? Or are you?
No.
Okay. What is your home address?
1, 2, 3, 4. Main Street.
Main Street. Apartment, suite, floor.
House.
Okay. What's the city?
Pembroke Pines.
Pembroke Pines. That's in Florida.
Yes.
Okay.
And that is 33027. I think you gotta put S in Pines, maybe. Try now.
All right. Yeah, that's what works.
Okay.
All right. Cool. And your mailing address is the same as your physical address, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm assuming you're male.
Yes.
Okay. What is your date of birth?
1, 1. Right. What year was I born? 1985.
All right. You were born in Jamaica, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What town in Jamaica?
Spanish Town.
Spanish Town. Okay. And what is your mother's last name? I'm sorry. What's your mother's first name?
Barbara.
Barbara. Your father's first name?
Eric.
Eric. Mr. Bennett, what's your class of admission?
CR1.
CR1. Okay. And when did you enter the United States?
Say 2 years ago.
What, do you have the date? We need the exact date.
Okay, so it's gonna be January 10th, 2023.
All right. And what's your social?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. And you're conditional resident?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Bennett, what is the reason for the application?
My card was lost.
Okay. So we're going to put an X right here. And what was the port of entry? Where did you come into the country?
Miami. That was Miami.
Okay. So I can't type it in, so I would have to write that in. So it's asking you the location where you apply for your immigrant visa or adjustment status. So I know you have your immigrant visa and we've already have you adjusted. So
United States.
United States, okay. And the location where your immigrant visa was issued or the USCIS office where you were granted adjustment, was that in Miami?
Miami.
Have you ever been in exclusion, deportation, or removal proceedings or ordered removal ordered removed from the United States?
No.
Since you were granted permanent residence, have you ever filed a I-407 abandonment of your alien status as a lawful permanent resident? Or so it's asking you, have you ever filed this document to give up your permanent residence?
No.
Are you Hispanic?
No.
What is your race?
Black.
About how tall are you?
5'8".
Okay. How much do you weigh?
180.
Eye color?
Brown.
Brown. Hair color?
Black.
Right here is asking you about any disabilities that you may have. So it's asking you, are you requesting an accommodation because of your disabilities or impairment?
No.
Okay. And since you do speak English, we're going to check right here. I can read and understand English, and you understood everything that we went over in this application, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so this is where you're going to be signing and you're going to be dating. Since we don't have an interpreter, we're not going to worry about that part.
Right.
Okay, so once you receive this document, and whenever you get your money together to send it off with the application fee, do not date it until it's closer to the time that you're about to send it off. So if you need a month or 2 months, you have this application, just don't date it until that time.
Okay.
Does it make sense?
Yes.
All right, cool. So that's everything. And yeah, I appreciate you.